All right, everyone, welcome back. I'm going to go over my 2021 YouTube revenue, and in January, I got $411.86. In February, $342.02. March, $432.51. In April, it was $361.23. In May, it was $386.92. In June, it was $388.17. In July, $361.11. And in August, it was $370.93. In September, $338.63. In October, $413.31. November was $408.12. And finally, in December, it was $403.42, which brings the total for the year up to, bing bong, $4,618.21, which is actually pretty accurate considering the paychecks that they send you are a little bit different, but it was within $8, so my total for the year was about $4,610. All right, that's going to end off the video. I'm going to keep it nice and short. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for the support all year long. Without you guys, none of this would be possible, and I'm going to definitely be investing more money into the channel in 2022, so stay tuned. I just bought a whole bunch more stuff for the channel to upgrade the studio room, and also probably going to go over the union retirement first year tomorrow, and then on Wednesday I'll probably go over my total yearly revenue for 2021, which was a lot higher than I expected. So stay tuned. It's going to be kind of a financial week for today, tomorrow, and Wednesday. And then I'll see what we got going on Thursday and Friday, guys. So thank you so much for watching. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out.